Yes, today we have a chair. I'm thinking about the good old days when things was made by hand. I'm really looking to put something in the middle there, but I'm gonna round off the top, sand it down, make it really beautified. Do a little grinding, a little this, a little that. But I would like to know your thoughts on it, so you can share, comment, like, subscribe, or you can just look. It doesn't matter to me. But this is something for today, and I hope you enjoy. This is part one. Part two is next.